These turkey feathers that come in 2 yards, you don't need much because we're going to only use one, but depending on how many feathers you would like to use, you get the yard. So what I'm doing now is pulling off the feathers from what is holding it. Is like a cloth, like bridal satin that is sewn to hold the feathers to form this strip. So now I have that piece, so I'm going to show you one. So what you do first of all is you open up the feathers, like you can see what I'm doing. You straighten them out. Okay, once you're done with straightening them out, you start trimming it all the way round. Keep watching and learning. Now once you're through with trimming it out, next thing you want to do is cut like so. You take one part and cut. The first part might cut off, don't worry. Just do the next side. You cut in the bit, turn to the other side and cut same location adjacent to it. So what it does is that it takes off some feathers and forms into this zigzag pattern. So you're going to do it all the way through to the end of the tip, ensuring that you're giving it the same distance. Anyway, you can decide that you want them to be different distance. It will give it a different pattern, and then you can use it and design your hearts, your turbans, anything you want to, and it comes out looking gorgeous. So if you enjoyed this lovely hack, do give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to this great channel and you want to see more hacks, go further and do subscribe and click the bell so you get notified when I put up new hacks and other trainings on this channel. Before you go up, we have a wonderful training coming up on the 1st of April, and it is how to design this bridal hand fan. You don't want to miss it. It starts from the scratch. It shows you how to make the skeleton itself. No need to buy. You save up money from there, and then you design as seen on this picture or as your creativity moves you. Now it's going for half price for the first 20 people. You need to rush and get it. For more details, check the description below and click on the dventcraft Academy reception link and make your request. Do have fun. Take care. See you next time.